Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Looney Ballooney Learning Center. So for this video, we are talking about putting 260s on a pole and spiraling them up and tying them off. This is a wonderful tool for saving some costs on a taller design without breaking the bank, right? So the 260s are cheaper. We're having a greater coverage area of them versus using 11 inches to cover all this up. And it's a really cute effect too. So what we do is we take our 260s and stretch them out. Always stretch your 260s. We're gonna go ahead and fill them up to max and then let out a little bit so that you can squeeze a little bit so there's a little bit of play. Tie it off. Okay, one more. Always stretching. Fill to the max. Let some out so you can squeeze your fingers with it. Tie it off. Tie those two necks together to make a duplet with these. And I've already done one duplet, so we're gonna put them together to make a quad. You could put them in as duplets too if you would like. Some people find it easier to visualize with the quad. So what we're going to do now is move our pump out of the way. We'll move this in a little bit. We are going to slide this between our lime green and our blue. And we're gonna come up the two back ones. Right, you just pull it up in the center, pull up and pull up. Now you've got them firmly anchored and you take your four. I've seen this done a bunch of different ways, so figure out what works best for you. I'm gonna show you what I like. So I put my four on here. This is an easy way of doing it when you're just by yourself. All right, so you can put your four on here, start spinning. I'm gonna drop this down from my table so you can see, and maybe we'll move in with the camera just a little bit. We're gonna spin till we get to where we wanna stop. And then I have a scrap or half of a 260 that I'm going to put in between my fingers and tie around, cinch it down very tightly, okay? And then tie that off. These are working as your second pair of hands. If you have a helper, you could have them hold this while you're working, but the 260 will do that job for you if you're on your own. Okay, then you take your tips and just put a little tiny snip in them so you can grab them. Tie these two together. Then tie those two around the pole so they stay where you want them to stay. Okay, so again, we're snipping the tip. More controlled like that is preferred, but sometimes you can't help it and you snip it large and it goes down really quickly, but just grab it. That first 260 that we put on there should hold it in place for you. We're gonna tie it on the one side and then come around the pole and tie it off again. Now we all know I'm a stickler for mechanics, so please don't leave them like that. Clean them up. It'll make your life easier too. If you're going to go ahead and put another couple quads on the top of here, having these in the way makes your life a little bit more difficult. Cutting them, not too short, but enough so they're hidden, will make your life easier as you're twisting your next quad on. All right, so that is our cutie patootie 260s up a pole, spiraled up. I hope you like this little accent that you can add to your toolbox for many different designs to come on your journey of ballooning it yourself. Take care. Bye for now.